and welcome to Grace Bakes. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make my hazelnut milk. You'll want to start by soaking skinless hazelnuts like this in water overnight. Then all you do is strain the water, stick it in your blender and blend with some more water. So I'm just going to drain these. Take the lid off of your blender and pop the soaked hazelnuts in the container. And to this, you'll want to add 4 cups of water. And I like to use distilled water, not tap water. So that's just 4 of these. Now at this point, you can sweeten your hazelnut with a date or some maple syrup, but I don't like to. I actually find it's creamy enough and sweet enough, and it doesn't need anything added to it. So I'm going to pop the lid on and we're going to blend. Make sure the lid is secure before turning on. I really like to use a Vitamix to do this. I used to have a KitchenAid blender, you might have seen it in previous videos, but since I've gotten this Vitamix, it has changed everything. Everything I blend is a lot smoother, and Vitamixes are known for being pricey, but it's worth the money. Trust me, it really, really is, and I'm so thankful my mum got me this for Christmas, so thank you, Mum. You want to flick the switch on the side to the on position. And now, simply put this to number 1 and push this button to start. So this has only been blending for about 30 to 45 seconds and it's already looking creamy and white and it's turned into milk. Now you need to separate the nut solids from the actual milk, the liquid. And to do that, you'll want to get a bowl and a muslin cloth. Simply lay this across the bowl, take the lid off and set that to one side. And then pour the liquid into the muslin cloth, the strainer, and do this in stages because you don't want to fill the muslin cloth up to the brim and it kind of spill over and then you get the nut solids into your milk. Because the whole point of doing this is to separate them. As you can see, you just squeeze the bag and the liquid comes out. What you can do with the nut solids inside is put it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and dehydrate it in the oven, and you just set the oven to a low heat and dehydrate it for a few hours until it's crispy. Then stick it in the food processor and blend it until it's a fine powder, almost like a flour. And then you have hazelnut flour. Repeat the process until you have separated all of the nut from the milk. Now with your hazelnut milk, you'll want to pour it into a glass bottle or a milk bottle or some form of bottle. And I like to use a funnel and just pop this over the bottle and then pour the liquid into it. I've done it without the funnel and it sort of went everywhere and it was a huge mess. And these sorts of funnels are really easy to find and very, very cheap. If you're living in Istanbul, I actually found this in a place called Eminönü, and that area is well known for its baking supplies. And I picked this up, I think, for 3 lira. So it's super cheap. Now, pour your hazelnut milk into the bottle. There you go. I like to use hazelnut milk in my breakfast smoothie, as well as pouring it into my cup of coffee during the day. I actually find hazelnut milk is creamier than any other nut milk. I'm into coconut milk and almond milk, and every time I've had them, I actually find hazelnut is the one that I go to all the time because it's so creamy. And if you like the taste of cow's milk and enjoy the creaminess that that offers, this is a great substitute for that. Make sure you store this in the fridge and it will last for up to about 4 days. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and for more recipes, make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye!